Hey everyone, welcome back to DataSurface, and today we are continuing our Oracle 23C AI hands-on series. In the previous video, we walked through installing Oracle 23C AI on Windows 11. If you followed along, your database should be up and running. Great job. But when you try to run a few example queries like self star from EMP, you probably ran into an error and wondered, where is the Scott schema? Where are the classic sample tables like employee, DPT and SALGRADE? So now if you go to the SQL developer or in SQL Star Plus, you try to run the sample tables, how we execute it in Oracle previous older version, you will see this kind of error, right? Tabular view system.dpt does not exist. You cannot get all the predefined or built-in data sets. It's not available in Oracle 23C AI by default. So that's totally normal. Don't worry. Let me explain what's going on. So here the exciting part, Oracle 23C AI uses a multi-tenant architecture. That means you have a container database CDB that can host multiple pluggable databases PDBs. Because of that design, sample data sets are not automatically available inside your pluggable database. They aren't magically created for you in the how it is available in older Oracle versions, right? So the fix is straightforward. We will manually create the Scott schema inside the pluggable database you are using, then populate the classic sample data set like employee, DPT, SALGRADE and bonus. After that, you will be able to run all your queries and practice just like before. I hope it is clear. So basically, what I mean to say, in Oracle 23 CAI is having the architecture in a different way. So if you want deeper explanation of Oracle 23 architecture, pause this video and check out our dedicated 23C architecture video, which is available in this same playlist, right? So in 23 AI architecture, basically it got introduced like CDB and pluggable databases. So in earlier Oracle older versions, we have only one instance, but here, like if you want to run multiple servers, you can include the multiple PDBs into this particular Oracle 23 AI and you can run parallelly. So that's where when you install it in our machine, by default, Oracle will provide one free pluggable databases. So in that particular pluggable databases, basically we need to create the schema whatever we want and we need to configure all the sample data sets. So we will see in this video we will focus on the practical steps. By the end of, you will have all fully configured Scott schema and the classic data sets ready to query. I hope it's clear. Let's jump into the action part. So I have detailed the steps, step by step, commands. I can provide the steps or the script in the description section. Please use the script and execute the steps exactly same order so that you will be able to successfully configure the sample data sets. So now first we need to connect Oracle 23 AI as a sysdba. So let's go ahead. On the start, you can just type SQL star plus SQL plus. You can open that SQL plus. So give the username and password whatever you have given while installing the Oracle 23 AI. So I have given as a system and tiger. You can give the whatever username and password you have given as sysdba. I want to connect as a sysdba, right? So now if you see, it is connected. Now you need to check connection. So connection name. See, it is a CDB, container database root. You are in the root directory. So what are the pluggable databases available for you? You need to check first. So you can check these are the pluggable databases are available. So PDB seed, it is a read only. PDB, free PDB1, read and write. So this is the pluggable database for me as a free version. I want to switch into this. Now, set that. Now you can check back the connection again. See, now the connection name change it to free pluggable database 1. So now here, if you have already the Scott schema is existing, you can just drop it. If it is not there, you can just directly can create it. So here I'll be giving a create user Scott identified by the manager. So since Tiger I have used for my Oracle 23 AI admin, I'm using a manager as a password for the Scott schema. Default table space, temporary table space, and quota unlimited on users. So once you hit this enter, automatically the user Scott schema is created now. So now you need to provide the permissions for that. Grant connect resource to Scott. Now you have given the access. So now what you need to do, you need to connect the Scott user, right? So you can give connection Scott password @ pre-PDB1. It is a pluggable database. Now it is a connected. Now we can check who is login here. Scott. Now I am in a Scott schema. Now I go ahead and create the sample tables, right? So I'll be creating a department table. It is created. Now insert the data. Now it is successfully inserted. Now I am going to create the employee table. I'm going to insert the data into the employee table. Now I am going to create the SALGRADE table. Then insert the data into the SALGRADE table. Now the finally bonus table creation. Insert the data into this particular. So now we can commit the changes. It's done. So now let's verify the data. Select star from EMP. Select star from DPT. Then check the SALGRADE table. Also check the bonus table as well. See, now all the tables are available in the Scott schema, right? So that's all now. All the sample data sets are available in the Scott schema. Let's log in the Scott schema into the SQL developer as well. So now let's go to the connections and give, I'll be giving it as a Scott username and password, and here is free PDB1. It is a pluggable database, right? So now test the connection. It is showing as a success. Now connect it. So now go back to the Scott schema. Now we can check here sample tables. See, sample data is available now. Similarly, you can check other tables as well. Even you can expand here and you can see all the available tables, right? Now the sample data sets are available. You can execute your queries or you can practice whatever you want here. So similarly, Scott, how many pluggable databases you want, you can create the separate schemas here and you can plug into the CDB and you can store the data into that particular schema. But free version, they're giving one free pluggable database. So in that, I have created the Scott schema. If you found this helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to DataSurface for more hands-on tutorials about databases and data engineering topics. Leave a comment. If you hit any errors, I'll get back to you on that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.